Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear student. Today, I'd love to deliver a very interesting topic in instrumental variables. Why it's interesting? Because instrumental variables is a very powerful models. It can explain the variables that is very powerful in the model. Okay. What is the instrumental variable definitions? Instrumental variable or instrument or IV is a variable that is used in a regression model to correct for the endogeneity problem. So what is interesting and is very helpful because this model will correct the endogeneity problem. Yeah. And then we have dependent variable of y and also exogenous variables x that is correlated with the error terms u. Instrument z is variables that is related to the endogenous variable x but does not belong in the model for y and is not correlated with the error terms. Okay, we go to the regression model estimations. Yeah, here the regression model is y equal to beta 0 plus beta 1, x plus u is error terms. If x exogenous correlated with the error terms, covariance of x, comma y, u or error not equal to 0, then find an instrument Z that is not correlated with the error terms U, covariant of ZU equal to 0. Then the coefficient estimated using above IV formula will be unbiased and consistent. And it's also free from the endogenous problem because if X is exogenous, it can be served as its instrument of Z equal to Y, X, and the IV estimated would be identical to OLS estimate by beta 1 OLS. Okay, here we have IV properties. An instrument Z should have 3 properties. The instrument Z does not appear in the original regression model. The instrument Z is correlated with the endogenous variable, and the last, this instrument Z is uncorrelated with the error term U. We have here in the IV is 2 SLS, or we can say it two-stage least square. Where in here in 2 SLS, the regression model or estimations, the model is y equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x plus u. If x is endogenous, the coefficient beta 1 hat estimated with OLS will be biased. Here we use 2 SLS. They are first stage and then also followed by second stage. In the 2 SLS first stage, x equal to delta 0 plus delta 1 z plus v is a regression for the endogenous variable x on the instrument z. Get predicted value of x hat equal to delta hat 0 plus delta 1 hat z. The predicted value x hat contains only exogenous information from the instrument z. And then we move to 2SLS second stage. Y equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x hat plus u, regression the dependent variable y on the predicted value x. And here the coefficient of beta 1 hat estimated with 2 SLS will be unbiased because x hat is exogenous and uncorrelated with the error term u. Okay, we can move to the IV estimation example. The model for log wages, yeah. L wage explained by education of EDUC here. Log wages is the dependent variable, while educations or EDUC is independent variable, which is endogenous. Yeah, here we use the further education of EDUC. EDUC is an instrument for education. Here, the coefficient using IV estimation is lower than the coefficient using OLS estimation. One additional year education is associated with the 10.9% increase in the wage using OLS, but only 5.9% increase in wage using IV. Here, the OLS and IV estimates for beta 1 appear to be different from each other. So here, perhaps edu is endogenous. That is the difference between the interpretation of model if we use the IP rather than we use OLS. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kamu ngapain sebenarnya ngumpet? Kok Ijeng duduk di bawah?